consider your past for a better you. Today I will share another traditional Mexican dish. But before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel to have access to all our recipes, including our special edition collection, Gold by Mirrors, a Mexico's cuisine jewel from the pre-Columbian to the conquest of the Aztec Empire and today. The story of Azteca soup dates back to the Aztec civilization, which flourished in central Mexico from the 14th to the 16th centuries. At the heart of Aztec cuisine were maize, corn, beans, squash, chili peppers, and tomatoes, ingredients that formed the basis of many traditional dishes. Azteca soup, known in Nahuatl as tortilla soup or sopa de tortilla, was a staple in the Aztec diet, enjoyed for its nourishing qualities and comforting warmth. Azteca soup, with its rich flavor and hearty ingredients, has become a beloved dish shared by many. However, beyond its delicious taste lies a captivating history deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of the ancient Aztec Empire. Azteca soup became a symbol of cultural fusion, blending indigenous ingredients with our global influences to create a dish that is uniquely Mexican. Restaurants, food enthusiasts, and home cooks alike have embraced this iconic dish, Azteca soup, for its versatility, adaptability, and comforting appeal. Whether served with crispy tortilla strips, creamy avocado, and tangled lime, Azteca soup continues to captivate palates and inspire culinary creativity. Azteca soup remains a symbol of tradition, community, and shared culinary heritage. With each spoonful, we savor not just the flavor of the soup, but also the stories and traditions passed down through generations. The Azteca soup is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Aztec Empire cuisine and the vibrant tapestry of cultures that have shaped Mexico's culinary identity. As we enjoy this delicious dish, let us remember and appreciate the rich history and cultural significance that make Azteca soup a true culinary treasure. As usual, I separated a few salsas to complement a red mole and some sauce to accompany some fried tacos. You can serve a delicious snack with red mole, crispy tortillas, and some cheese. The same sauce can be used in different ways. If you want to know more recipes like this one, you can check out our YouTube channel. And if you want to know the step-by-step recipes and history, you can click on the link in the description. Remember to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and like this video. See you next Wednesday.